how to change your AirTag battery. So it's very simple. You're just going to have to take off the top part or the cover of your AirTag at first. So to take that off, you're gonna have to twist this little cover in a counterclockwise, so this way. Just follow along with the arrow. You can use your fingers to do so. Once you do that, the little cover should pop out like so. You can just put this cover on the side for a bit, and the next part is to just take out the battery. It does look a little tight, but you can still use your fingers. So just take out the battery like so, and remember how to put the battery back. So if it was like this, then you're gonna put the battery back in like so. So the back forward facing you and the front of the battery facing towards the actual AirTag. So make sure you have a coin cell that's 3 volts or a button cell. So it should look something like this over here. Just go ahead and buy this type of battery in your stores. You won't miss it since there are very few small batteries that are this size. But once you get it, just go back to your AirTag, put the battery back in like so, and just cover it all back together like this. Of course, the cover should be rotated or twisted in the other direction so that it locks back in place. Oh, now it's gone. But let's just go ahead and draw a little arrow for this one. Let's go to 3. So it should be going this way if you want to lock the cover back in. So this way for lock, and this way for unlock. I think it was better to do that in the first place, but yeah, that's pretty much how you change your AirTag battery. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.